Free traffic from tutorial sites. Tutorial sites are usually geared towards the design and technical niches, but there are still many opportunities on some of these sites in other niches. Now, these tutorial sites are great places to establish yourself as an expert in your niche. Like I said, especially if you're in a technical niche or something design related. Now, the first couple of sites that we'll talk about are Instructables and Tutorialize. Okay? And these are two sites. Instructables, it's a very cool visual tutorial site. Like pretty much all the tutorials are done with picture, step-by-step pictures. There's also step-by-step slideshows showing how to do something or how to make something. And as you can see, this is a very popular site. If we go over to Alexa, Alexa is a website that goes ahead and ranks all the websites out there that are out there, the millions and millions of sites. You can go to Alexa and find out where a particular site ranks. And you can see this website, while not in the top 100, it is ranked 627th in the United States. That means that Alexa judges this site to be a very, very popular site. And like I said, if you can have some sort of visual tutorial or show someone how to do something visually, you can go ahead and link back to your site. You can, in your resource box, you can go ahead and link back to your site so that when someone sees your tutorial, okay, and they like what they see, they can go ahead and learn more from your website, okay? And there's lots of ways that you can use a site like this. And another really popular site for marketing related and technical tutorials is going to be this site, Tutorialize. There's all kinds of different topics here, all kinds of different things that you can create tutorials on, and then you can link back and refer people to your site. And you can see, we'll take a look over at Alexa, and we can see that Udemy is another one. Udemy is another site that is very, very popular. Now, the thing with Udemy is you have to have very high quality video tutorials here. You need to have like about a half hour of content, and it needs to be very good content because they're going to go ahead and check your content and actually go through your content before they'll list it on their site. And what you can do is you can go ahead and join Udemy, create a video course, okay, a free video course, tap into their traffic that they have. Udemy, like I was showing you right here, very popular site. Alexa says that there's only about 1,300 sites in the United States out of the millions that are more popular than Udemy. So you can create yourself a good free course, okay, that leads into either a higher priced course on your website or more information that you're offering on that topic on your website. It's a very, very popular site, and it's an up and coming site that really shows a lot of promise for not only being able to sell your own product, your own instructional course or tutorial, but also for using those free tutorials to go ahead and drive traffic to your own website. Okay? And another website that's really popular and that's gaining a lot of followers is Learnist. And it's kind of like a Pinterest for educational tutorials. Now, the thing about Learnist is the content, it's not actually created on this site, but what you do is you use it kind of like as a social bookmarking site or a site where you can give more information and link off to the main site. So if you had tutorials on your website or on YouTube, okay, and Learnist, it's a pretty popular site Tutorialize, that's 34,000th in the country. And then Learnist, it's another one that's fairly popular. You can see 26,000. So you can see out of the millions and millions of websites that are out there, okay, you can go ahead and put your content on this very, very popular site and then use their traffic to link back to your website. So I really think using tutorial sites like these are a great way that you can drive some traffic to your website.